Hi, this is Linda from George Jewellery. Welcome to my Living a Handmade Life in Nature series. Today we're going to look at seed saving. So this is my veggie garden. It's nearly at the end. It's summer here. It's about 43, 44 degrees most days. So I'm amazed that there's still anything growing at all. So we do most of my growing here in the winter months. So this was some dill. I've already harvested the seeds from that. Lots of parsley here. So if you just let your plants do their own thing and grow and drop seeds, all this rocket here, and it's all self-seeded. Unfortunately, the broccoli got completely annihilated by caterpillars, so there's no seed coming from that. There's lots and lots of bugs around here in summer too. Pumpkins, away there. Carrot seeds. Snow peas. I messed up with the snow peas. I left the seed pods on there too long. Note to self, pick them sooner. Potatoes in the ground here. Maybe if I'd roasted them up. But I left the little ones and the ones that have been on the surface that have gone green. So they'll just keep growing. Got an enormous zucchini here. It's hidden, I didn't see it until they got so big. There's going to be a lot of seeds inside that one. There's a leek. Well, there's a really big leek flower. There's lots of seeds in that one. The general rule is when you're collecting seeds to, if it's something like a bean, leave the biggest pods, and they're the ones that you save for the seed. Everything else, just let the seeds mature, dry out, and then come out and collect them. What happens here in the summer is that things grow voraciously like the zucchinis, but there's no fruit. It gets too hot for them to set fruit. These are cabbages. I harvested these cabbages months ago. The bugs have gotten into these ones now, but if you cut the top cabbage off and get the heart of it out and leave the leaves behind, then you get all these little baby cabbages sprouting. So I've already picked at least 10 baby cabbages. I don't think I'm going to get any seeds from that thanks to the bugs. Still feet here in the middle. Nearly ready to come out and collect those ones. So I lived out of this veggie garden for 6 months. It was the most wonderful feeling. I didn't have to buy any veggies at all from the shop. So I've got a selection of trees I'm going to show you that I've grown from seed. Here's a silky oak tree. I found the seeds for this under a silky oak tree in a caravan park in Cave. I went looking for silky oak seeds, but at the same time I found this little black seed. Didn't know what it was. I just brought it home and planted it. It's a ball tree. Beautiful big frangipani. So I grew this from a cutting that a friend gave me. Frangipanis grow really easily from cuttings. It was in a pot for years and now it's in the ground. Here's my lovely jacaranda tree. I found this seed under a jacaranda tree in Wilcannia. I was specifically looking for those seeds. So you don't have to go out and buy trees, you can just plant your own. So when I was in Bundaberg, I found these seeds under a tree. I've got no idea what this tree is called, but I've just planted them. It's some kind of tropical beautiful tree. And these ones here, poinciana seeds. Jumped up and grabbed a great big poinciana seed pod off a tree. Some more poinciana babies. And some gum tree babies. So I collected seeds from my old house in Whitecliffs and planted them. So I've got enough seeds here to feed several towns. Lettuce, bok choy, silkweed, rocket, snow peas, spinach, broad beans, carrots, beetroot, butter lettuce, and dill.